Hi everyone, welcome back to another video. So in the today's session, we are going to talk about is this really worth to learn Power BI course in this situation or not? So many candidates are having doubt in the present days because in the Corona time there are huge job openings are there for data analyst or Power BI jobs or business intelligence developer jobs. But in these days, what is the exact status whether to learn Power BI course or not? So I am going to show you how many job openings are there for Power BI using Naukri job portal and LinkedIn job portal. Then you can understand is this good to learn Power BI in this situation or not. Okay. So let me open Google search engine and uh, and here you can type Power BI jobs Naukri. Okay, and it's showing around 20,000 jobs, but in fact, in reality, now we'll see. Now we'll check around 4,662 jobs without filtering. Please notice here without filtering 4,662 jobs. So once if you filter this one, I mean select freshness. See here in the below, select last 7 days. Only 724 jobs. That too, how much experience you have to apply for jobs? Let me check one by one. Accenture company is hiring 4 to 6 years of experience candidate. Microsoft Power BI application developer. This is also Accenture only. And Hexaware 4 to 9 years. Okay. Lumina Datamatics 2 to 5 years of experience. This is okay, somewhat better. Okay. And this one is Accenture only. Accenture same company only. Okay. Now we'll go another page. Tech Mahindra, senior Power BI developer, 6 to 11 years of experience. Now we'll go next page. NTT, 7 to 8 years of experience. Notice here, friends, only above 4 years of experience candidates only they are eligible to apply for these 700 jobs also. Very few jobs are there who have below 3 years of experience candidate. Only you have above 4 years of experience only. Okay. Now let us check it out. One more job like a LinkedIn job also. You can check it out. One more thing, guys, you must remember if you have any job reference, then you can learn Power BI. Otherwise, better to wait next 2 to 3 months to learn this Power BI course because there are no, especially fresher jobs are very nil. Okay. And below 3 years of experience candidate, only few job openings are there. Now let's check it out in LinkedIn also. Just type Power BI jobs. Okay, around 16,484 six results we found here. But after filter, you may find 10,000 jobs. Okay, so that too, there are some mixed job openings are there like data specialist. Okay, Power BI developer, Tech Mahindra. Check it out. How much experience? 6 to 10 years of experience. Minimum 4 plus years of experience. Power Apps, Elentry, and EPAM, Solution Architect, Power BI. This is also more senior experience only. This is the lead position, application lead position. Okay, now we'll move to second page. Okay. See, friends, just check it out. All these things you may understand whether it is good to learn Power BI course in this situation or not. So if you want more information like this, then don't forget follow our Bailakisar YouTube channel. And if you really love our content, hit the like button and share to your friends as well. And share to your friends as well. Is this really worth to learn Power BI in this situation or not? Everyone may understand. Okay. So I'm not saying that this is not completely going to die Power BI developer course. It's absolutely every company are currently using currently every company, every organization, maximum of the companies are using Power BI only for reporting purpose or creating the dashboards purpose. But openings are very few, guys. But next 3 to 4 months, you may not receive more calls, guys, especially for Power BI developer jobs. So we'll meet with one more useful content video. Thank you very much.